Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily insert a thick black line in Microsoft Word and how to customize its look to separate your text perfectly. To get started, navigate to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Next, open the Shapes menu and select the Standard Straight Line. Now, simply click and drag across your document to draw your line. To make sure it stays perfectly straight while drawing, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Once your line is drawn, right-click directly on it and select Format Shape. This opens up a settings panel on the right side of your screen. Under the line options, make sure the color is set to black. Next, find the width field. You can increase this number to 3 points, 4 points, or whatever thickness suits your document. You can also experiment with the dash type dropdown right below it if you want to turn your solid line into a thick dashed line instead. If you found this quick trick helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful Microsoft Word tips.